It's a little spooky back here, all these huts, and nobody's here. Just me and you. Holy shit, look at this waterfall. I want to show you the labor. Okay, so he's moved that gate, and now he's going to come and move this gate by hand and let everybody go through. If you want full employment, just make every train gate manual in the country. You know how many jobs that would provide? Of course, you'll be paying for it with your taxes. But thanks to road construction and a little bit of traffic, I was going slow enough on the highway to realize that this is the road that goes to a waterfall I haven't seen before. Provided I can find it. Let's see what's down here. Okay, it's a stream. It is definitely not a waterfall. There's a stream to our left, mountains ahead, and dogs in the road. Where this road goes, nobody knows. There's pups. And the pavement ends. So we got a sign here that says parking. There's a little hut. Usually there would be somebody here to collect your money. That sign says no motorbikes, no cars. The motorbike is parked. I hear water. There's nobody to pay the parking fee to, and there's always a parking fee, but nobody's here, so let's investigate. Let's see what we can find. There's a sign here that says rules, and it's in English, so that's unusual. I mean, you see it sometimes, but not very often. Okay, here we go. Hours of service, 7:30 a.m. till 4 p.m. Children under 8, swimsuit when going down the swimming pool, swimming trunks, female swimwear, no alcohol, no stimulant. No litter, no spit. Okay, well, let's see. Do not see the swimming pool. The sign where I parked said, something said 70 meters, pointing this direction. And it wasn't pointing to parking because this next sign said don't drive past here. So there's a nice little stream down there. I can see that much. And I hear water rushing. I can't see it right now. But by the sound, we are almost there. Wherever there may be. Oh, and here are little huts beside the river with the blue tarps. Well, down we go, I guess. Oh, I see the waterfall. This place is completely abandoned. It's a little spooky back here, all these huts, and nobody's here. Just me and you. Yeah, look at this waterfall. Normally a place like this would be buzzing. Here we are. And a single life vest in the middle of the falls. No one else. It's just me and you with me through the camera. What a great find. And everywhere are these awnings. Like this one has a little restroom up there. And normally there would be tables and chairs and people cooking and selling drinks. But there's no one here. This is the abandoned waterfall. There's just not a whole lot to explore here. I just don't understand why it's vacant. There's more restrooms and changing areas. A grill. Trying to watch for snakes here. Something important to remember when you're in a place like Asia, the jungle, is don't just look down for snakes. You need to also look up, because they're often in the trees above you. In Thailand, I had one fall out of a tree and literally land right beside me. And I was on a boardwalk and I heard a thud and I thought a piece of fruit fell out of the tree. And I looked down, it was a huge snake. So you say, Brian, stop talking, show us the waterfall. Well, here you are. Spectacular. Why am I the only one here? Someone's had a fire here. Maybe Buddha case. So I usually make food here. No food today. Let's see. Let's investigate the restroom. Maybe that's where everyone is hiding. A surprise party for Brian. The restroom, is it locked? Yes, it is locked. So it appears, for whatever reason, they are not open. But I am here, and I am enjoying myself. I flew the drone, I crashed the drone. That is 2 crashes out of the past 3 flights. Not a bad record. I ran it into that concrete table over there. It's about 3:30. We still have to cross the High Band Pass, and we're not even to Lang Co yet. I know what this is. Pandan. Yeah, yes, I know what it is. So he was cutting what I believe to be pandan leaves, and that's something that you can make tea out of. And I believe it's also used in sweets a lot in Vietnam. When I went the other way, I don't think the camera caught it, but I heard him chopping, and as I looked, I just barely saw him over there. So he's out cutting some pandan, making his money for the day. And we are on a mission to get to the pass before dark. So no more wasting time. Let's go.